こんにちは、もぐもぐです。Let's make Shougayaki. Here are the ingredients. And now let's get started. Add sugar, soy sauce, sake, mirin, grated ginger, and mix. And that is our sauce done. So let's sengiri the cabbage. Sengiri means to cut into thin strips. I like to have thin strips and thicker strips for a textural difference. Moving on to the pork, I like to get rid of any excess bits of fat. Cut slits around your pork so that when you cook it, it doesn't shrivel up. Next, season your pork with salt and pepper on both sides. Coat both sides with katakuriko or potato starch. If you can't get your hands on potato starch, corn flour, cornstarch, or even plain flour will do. Heat your oil in the pan and cook your pork until both sides are golden brown. And then finally add the sauce. Iただきます。